our motives, they're turning our mistakes into our vultures. So if we eat or if we starve, we still gon' work and do a good ass job, cause we've come too far to let nights escape. It's that price we pay when we fight for days. Sun on his face, a glimmer in his eye. Blue blocks cocked, he's a little too high, no problem. You see, it all comes down to a tally of the minutes, the column evens out. So we sip something, have sex, and get money with a smile on the face, even though it's getting ugly. And we tipping up cups for the brainstorm meeting of the minds, which the meeting might rain more. London town or Portland, or keep that shit wet for the snappy Porsche, the cold-hearted. Emotions bogarted, the two-step rep just pays retarded. So who gon' love what they can't see? You got a vision, but it isn't one they want you to be. 91 style rap, I'm New Jack in the beat. Cold sipping on a cold 211 is cheap. So what? I sip that hard and go way harder. My liver's looking at me like I'm fucking his daughter. My 40's looking like he wants to kill him regardless. But we live another night just to fight in the morning. We patch the pain and mind the gap, the everyday struggle just to find that map. I sip up and lean back, toke up those greenbacks, mean a little something different to the people getting taxed. When I see what I see, I just can't believe how our shortfalls can shape our motives. They're turning our mistakes into our vultures. So if we eat or if we starve, we still gon' work and do a good ass job, cause we've come too far to let nights escape. It's that price we pay when we fight for days.
Pragmatically approach, they all Warren Buffett it. Fraggle Rock, we get it in where the Muppets is. They play Gorgs, we ball beyond Borg. We are what we are, entrenched in our hordes. We live where we comfy. Make believe that we live in bigger lives, but we love our little pumpkins. Lay up lines with the lies, no dunking. They don't like stunts, cause the stunts are stunting.
No growth, no time, no coach. They wanna settle down with the check coupe coach. Leave a little better than they came nouveau, when they only needed drunken chicken noodles for the soul. Till that scale reads husky, the double XL tall polo rugby. I don't need it, I want it, I need days till I'm anywhere. One, I'll deliver, so have faith when the clock strikes. We gon' block that, we gon' sip something hard enough to put us on a eyes wide open with my mind on some change. And the nights go fast, so we fight for the day. When I see what I see, I just can't believe how our shortfalls can shape our motives. They're turning our mistakes into our vultures. So if we eat or if we starve, we still gon' work and do a good ass job, cause we've come too far to let nights escape. It's that price we pay when we fight for days. So when I see what I see, I just can't believe how our shortfalls can shape our motives. They're turning our mistakes into our vultures. So if we eat or if we starve, we still gon' work and do a good ass job, cause we've come too far to let nights escape. It's that price we pay when we fight for days. As we kick this life's ass, laughing at the mischief. We too busy talking about dicks and twit pics to figure out who is more witless. And apathy sets in when we can't hear. No heroes, no wins, so we can't cheer. I'm feeling dumb enough to put a fucking chant here. Reinvent the wheel, no chance, so we can't steer. Top down like my whip was nice. I'm done faking being positive, I whip my life. Too cold for the heat tonight. I'm a maverick, I shine like a Christmas light. But at the same time, I'm LeBron James game him. I ain't even playing and you know you can't trade him. Two-tone jersey, black paisley stain. As I stand up, fist cocked, I ain't even aiming. I ain't even thinking, I ain't even bring my brain. I'm too gone for a status change. Tip up that new cup, chug that new poison. No frill, straight talk, fuck that coy shit. I am killing robots, you are killing pop songs. I recycle chords, then I hit him with the bop gun. Yeah, but keep it happy on the chorus part, cause you never know where the fucking tourists are.
Let's go heal, the scars gonna look okay. I'm gonna fix up shop, go hard like all day. And when we get that way, we gon' toast to the old days. And they can talk that shit, but we still gon' be okay. We gon' be okay.
Back to the wall like a middle school dance. I handle these songs like a Liverpool band. Hey Ringo, jungle. The drums is lovely, but a bit too loud, now the mix is ugly. EQ them and grab the final, take us straight to the place where they press the vinyl. On the way back by Papayas, film Michael Caine's wife and the Queen's vagina. No response, well you best keep trying. These people are important, they're short on timing. Spot T, won't we, while we sit here. Dumb subordinates never use fifth gear. It gets you there much faster, now done it. Stupid jaggy, I shouldn't never govern that. No problem, your timing was lovely. The birds just left, just a toss of another one.
My cut's gon' heal, the scar's gonna look okay. I'm gonna fix up shop, go hard like all day. And when we get that win, we gon' toast to the old days. And they can talk that shit, but we still gon' be okay. We gon' be okay.
We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. At least I hope so. We gon' be okay. 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 At least I hope so. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. Gon' be okay. At least I hope so.
My cut's gon' heal and the scar's gon' look okay. I'm gonna fix up shop, go hard like all day. And when we get that win, we gon' toast to the old days. And they can talk that shit, but we still gon' be okay. We gon' be okay.
There was a Raiders anthem, but I don't think the Raiders win, yo. But I think the Spurs do. Yeah, you know what it is. Duncan and the crew still win. LA Lakers, that's nothing. That champion ring, that's stunning. Run up in your town when you see me, you know everything. Black and silver, black and silver, yeah. Black and silver, black and silver. Right. I put it down, representing for my team. Yeah. I'm in black and silver, black and silver, black and silver, black and silver. Black jersey, silver heart. Think you're good? We'll take your team apart. Few losses, you'll beat us in your dreams. Balance act. Catch a screen, split your spleen. Big squad coming, put them on the heels, and they still running. You could steal something, but I know you'll never be close to where we are. As we're draining every three, let them know I'm still going in. Every team on the schedule, let them know we gonna win. Yeah, and the colors done got you rich. Best coach in the game, Popovich. You know what it is. Duncan and the crew still win. LA Lakers, that's nothing. Yeah. That champion ring, that's stunning. Run up in your town when you see me, you know everything. Black and silver, black and silver, black and silver, black and silver. I put it down, representing for my team. I'm in black and silver, black and silver, yeah. Black and silver, black and silver. Few words, but when they do talk, you know we always win. And them dudes walk, so let them keep going. They still whack, black and yellow, green and yellow. Let them know that silver's back. And ain't nobody holding me. MVP candidate to nobly. Yeah, and tell them other teams to get to resting. If they ain't, well, I'm sure the Spurs will teach them every lesson.